This is a detailed demo of Ledger Agent, the AI assistant that automates monitoring in Oracle Fusion Cloud Financial Management. It follows Alex, an assistant controller for a large multinational organization using Ledger Agent in 3 scenarios: creating a monitoring prompt, addressing hardware and equipment liability variance, and monitoring remaining performance obligation versus forecast. Alex and his team need to monitor a number of conditions over the month, like period variances, operational controls, anomalies, and exceptions. Alex relies on reports and dashboards that have been provided by IT to identify these conditions. Investigations can involve analyzing this information in spreadsheets with formulae, transactional inquiries, and drill downs to explain these conditions, making the process time-consuming. The Ledger Agent replaces this with the new agentic experience in Oracle General Ledger that is a significant step up in automation and efficiency. Alex uses the new General Ledger experience to see the insights and alerts that are tailored to his function and relevant to his areas of interest. At any point in time, Alex knows everything that is being monitored and receives insights when the conditions are met and his attention is required. This gives him a sense of control and operational readiness throughout the period. Alex can create a new monitor using a collection of prompts already provided to use as a guide and personalize. He decides to use a simple natural language prompt to monitor marketing expenses and compare them with the same time last year. The Ledger Agent interprets the natural language prompt and translates that into application concepts like account values, thresholds, and time dimensions. Alex can specify the exact account values and hierarchies to avoid ambiguity and ensure accuracy. General Ledger also interprets the frequency and time span, so Alex is now ready to activate monitoring without needing any IT help. Monitoring for prompts is a fundamental shift to how accounting operates, wherein the Ledger Agent continually and proactively monitors for you, ensuring that the numbers are accurate and up to date for any business analysis. Let's change gears and look at the second of the 3 scenarios, addressing a hardware and equipment liability variance. Alex's company is expanding its capacity to meet the growing demands for communications and AI services. Alex keeps an eye on expenses closely and any significant changes in the company's short-term obligations. He uses the Ledger Agent to monitor quarter-over-quarter liability variance for that. When the variance crosses the threshold, Alex is presented with a summary, directly drawing attention to what might have caused the condition to trigger. As Alex explores the insight, contextual analysis is presented at every step, allowing Alex to step directly into the contributors for the variance, in this case, identifying Austin data center expansion as the single largest contributor. Alex asks for the contributing invoices. In the past, this would have needed several reports and subledger transaction inquiries. The Ledger Agent now connects the ledger data with operational and transactional details and presents the relevant information. The Ledger Agent does not just bring the invoice information, but the full context by surfacing the related purchase information, including the spend approval comments that point to an expansion plan for data centers. With this context, Alex understands the reason for the spend increase. At the same time, his attention is drawn to the PO, where there is a significant difference between the invoice and PO amounts. The summary indicates unfulfilled supply. Alex continues to investigate using natural language, and Ledger Agent provides the source documents for Alex to review. With details confirmed and the unfulfilled amount being significant, Alex decides to create an accrual to help the business plan with this increase in mind. The Ledger Agent presents the preview of the accrual journal with a reversal date that aligns with the expected shipment. As the human in the loop, Alex can change any or all of these details. Once confirmed, the journal gets created and submitted. In minutes, Alex investigated the variance, reviewed the analysis supported by detailed evidence, and took action in the context of the analysis, all self-service and just using natural language. This is how Ledger Agent helps finance's day-to-day experience shift from hunting for information to high-quality continuous visibility. Now let's look at the third scenario, monitoring remaining performance obligation versus forecast. Alex gets alerted to an acceleration in revenue compared to forecast. Alex's company has long-term enterprise contracts for providing AI services with remaining performance obligations, or RPOs. Alex needs to ensure that the revenue is recognized in accordance with accounting standards. Revenue drawdowns must align with performance obligations. The ledger agent highlights that the revenue indicated by the RPO drawdown was accelerated compared to forecast in September. While this is good for business, from a revenue compliance standpoint, Alex must explain the variance. With a simple question, Alex sees the customer that is responsible for the majority of the variance. Ledger Agent pulls together data across Fusion applications, leveraging supporting details from Oracle Revenue Management and subscription modules. The Ledger Agent helps Alex dive into details that support these findings, highlighting when the sharp increase was observed and bringing forward notes that explain the increased consumption of services. Ledger Agent presents the information in a format that's intuitive for that style of information, that makes it simple for Alex to understand. Alex's investigation is now complete, but Ledger Agent allows him to be helpful to his colleagues and partner better with the business. In the past, Alex would send an email to operations or FP&A to investigate. With Ledger Agent providing details, Alex decides to prepare a short briefing package with all the findings and share the same with his FP&A colleagues. Alex doesn't need to specify the format or seek specialized help to do so. Ledger Agent packages all this into a brief that Alex can now share with FP&A. Instead of them going through the same process to search out the customer and supporting details, they get the full view of Alex's findings. With Alex's confirmation, the pack is now shared with FP&A to review and act. This type of investigation used to be time and resource intensive for accounting teams. Instead, it is accomplished in a matter of minutes using Ledger Agent. With the seamless experience, sharing insights and analysis summaries can significantly improve collaboration, allowing associated teams like FP&A and reconciliations to move swiftly with actions. This demo showed how Ledger Agent can create a monitoring prompt, address hardware and equipment liability variance, and monitor RPO versus forecast. These are just some of the ways that Ledger Agent helps automate financial monitoring in Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP.